Upsy daisy then. Oh, what a good girl. What's this? What's this? Oh, what a good girl. What a good girl. There you go. All done. Wasn't so bad, was it? That wasn't so bad. Now don't worry if she has a bit of a splutter. Good girl. Well done. What was that went up your nosy, eh? Shall we have one because we did so well? I think so. There we go.
Good girl. Good
What a
girl,
good girl,
Jess.
Jess.
So nice.
There we go.